Have you ever wondered why hiccups happen? Hiccups occur when your diaphragm suddenly contracts without warning. This causes a quick intake of air. Your vocal cords then snap shut, creating the familiar hic sound. Eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even excitement can trigger hiccups. Most hiccups disappear on their own, but scientists are still studying why they happen in the first place. Follow for more science mysteries.